Lighter concealer on the high points of the cheeks so that you have a highlighted effect. But since I'm going to the look,
Assalamu alaikum everyone. We have a store called the Deen Craft. We deal in Islamic products. So you can see, as you can see here, we have a lot of Deen oriented, the duas. We have the duas of entering and leaving the house, and also we have Ayatul Kursi card hangings, which you can put it in your car and it will remind you to read the Ayatul Kursi every time. And this is a Arabic calligraphy Ayatul Kursi art. And we have the Rabbana duas, which we also do customize. We have Rabbana Atina fid dunya hasnatan fil akhirati hasatan wa qina azaban nar. And these are all kids' room frame.
Decor, that way.
And that side we have home decor products. We have these boxes, and we have the Rihal for Quran. This is a Sadqa jar to encourage kids to give Sadqa, and we have benefits of giving Sadqa card. And we have tableware also. We have the coasters, stirrers, placemats, and everything. We customize frames like these, and we have wall arts. And we have card key hanging frame, which has a La ilaha illallah on that. We have tissue box.
You said about customizing, so where exactly happens?
We work from home, and whatever people ask us for, we work from home, and we take their orders, customize, make, and then deliver it to them.
So if they need orders, how do they approach you?
They approach us through Instagram mostly, and then they take our numbers from there and confirm their orders and do the payments, and we deliver it to them. It's all about Islamic products, Islamic gifting. Thank you so much.
Hey guys, so here we are live at Salam Souk. So basically this is a Moroccan souk experience. So I know people have been stuck with COVID at home for the last 2 years, but here you can have a slice of Morocco without your passport. So the primary objective of this event was to bring people together under the context of food and culture, because food is secular, culture is secular. It doesn't compartmentalize you into your beliefs and by race. So here we have a beautiful Moroccan souk set up. So we have spice market there, where you have exotic spices. You can shop under arches and chandeliers. And then you have Souk al-Libas, where you have, before we go to Souk al-Libas, we actually have celebrity makeup artist Ambreen Vikar here on stage doing her masterclass. And she's going to teach you festive look. Okay, and now we walk you down to Spice Market. As you can see, it's a very exotic space with our lanterns, and even the lanterns have spices in them actually. So you have honey, you have oud, you have bakur. All the exotic stuff is here. It's an amazing place to shop for Ramadan gifts. So this is one place in Salam Souk. We also have Souk al-Aziz, where you have cuisines from all over the world. You have Kashmiri food from Sarposh, you have Turkish food from Kababish, you have burgers from Smoking Burg, you have Delhi 6 Kareems, that's all come here all the way from Delhi. We have Par Caramel, we have Culinary Cat. There is no excuse. We have all kinds of food here. We have halal hot dogs, we have slushies. If I talk about what we have, I'll probably be doing this all day long, so you just have to come and experience it. We also have the Grand Bazaar. So that's something really exotic that you need to see. So the Grand Bazaar is basically an entire setup like the one that you have in Turkey, and you can shop under arches and chandeliers. You have all retail there, from kaftans to shoes. You cannot miss this. And then we also have a Riyadh called Riyadh Al Uruj, where you have an exclusive Eid boutique set up by our retail partners. And we haven't forgotten the kids. We have amusement world for kids, and we have everything from boating to the Ferris wheel to the carousel. You just have to be here and see it. And a special shout out to our diamond sponsors, School of India, Delhi Public School, M4 Constructions and India Builders. They have been supporting us right from the word go, and Salar News as well. We also have our title sponsors here, Papa Roti, Bashir Catering, Abayat. We have a lot of them here. We have an amazing setup of over 80 stalls. So Salam Souk happening here, guys, at Chamara Wajra, Jai Mahal Road, March 27th, and it goes all the way up to 11 p.m. We have a Sufi band that's playing. We have a fire show. We have lots of stuff that's lined up. And I really, really hope that the mission of Salam Souk was to get people together, and hopefully we can achieve that. Thank you.